County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Huntersville, or near Davidson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, vehicles. A dangerous storm will be near, more than around 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg. Warning for northwestern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Huntersville, or near Davidson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Iredell, Mecklenburg, and Rowan.